I hope you can hear me better this time. I'm using a different app to record, so fingers crossed for that. I first would like to start off by saying thank you all for providing feedback on my previous video, VALS framework. Whether it was on the WordPress or if it was in class, there were definitely some great points that were brought up. Some points that I definitely want to take into consideration was using the book. I think that it was really awkward how to sort of navigate that, and note cards were mentioned, as well as acknowledging the use of the book. And what I really like about acknowledging the use of the book is it would allow me to read directly from the book, as well as it would provide a space for me to cite my source, which would add a little bit more credibility. Another thing that I thought was interesting, and I did consider before, was using images or some sort of graphic to display the concepts of the framework. And one reason why I didn't go with that is because with VALS framework it is more psychodemographic, but if I were to add images to illustrate those concepts, it would have made the data more demographic, which isn't necessarily what VALS framework is about. Some personal feedback I thought I would have been great to include was my sort of introduction of videos. I sort of just hit the ground running, and I think that it would be beneficial to sort of start with, hello, I'm Zach, and then introduce it, and then go into content. So that's definitely something that I will consider as well. Thank you all for providing feedback. Like I said, it was super helpful, and I will see you all in class.